Welcome to Your Questions, Dharam Mentor Answer. The question is, how do you incorporate feedback into your work? You know that when you work in a professional environment, of course, you create outcomes on the basis of brief. Then there will be reviews inside your organization, and as well as you do a presentation to the client. And sometimes you do, most of the time for that matter, you do consumer study to understand their feedback. So constantly on all these three occasions, you will be getting feedbacks, okay? So there are ways of handling this, and how do I handle it is basically when the project is happening, okay? When we are creating project, there is a timeline, like I have 10 working days to create a ad campaign or a corporate identity or a brand identity. Okay, so maybe like we are taking 4 days to explore and come up with preliminary ideas. So what we do, like once we come up with a bunch of preliminary ideas, we put them on the wall, okay, and then we call all the stakeholders to have a look at these preliminary ideas. We openly discuss with stakeholders like the creative director. If there's a creative director, you yourself is a creative director, then you bring your team and then you involve a strategy, marketing, people, and then you discuss, share your thoughts, like why and how you come up with these ideas, and try to see that how people are associating with it and listen their feedback. So whenever people give feedback, then you kind of go through those feedback, you look at them rationally, you use some of those feedback to improve those preliminary ideas, and that's how you strengthen your ideas and design outcomes. Of course, when you do client presentation, client is going to give feedback saying that maybe he's looking for a bright color in his identity, but you use pastel colors. So you might be having a rationale for why you're using pastel color, but client also might be having a reason like why he's looking for a brighter color identity. So you guys need to debate and settle for and then agree upon, then you inculcate that feedback into your design. Lastly, when you do a consumer test, consumers have every right to give feedback, whatever they feel, they say it, listen it, and try to assimilate it and try to see it, which are those valid and which are those really important feedbacks, and incorporate those things into your design and improve the efficiency of your design. So look at feedback as our efficiency increasing mechanism. Then you look at feedback in a positive light. Thanks for asking interesting question.